Hello, everyone. Jorge here with Avalos Cloud Native and Nexus Technologies. Nexus for linking, Nexus for connecting. Um, we preach about cybersecurity, AI, blockchain, and cloud native technologies. Today's topic is about blockchain and cryptocurrency and much more. And saying so, I'm going to invite you to join the in daily topics and conversation about different topics in technology. So let's get started. First of all, when you join the dojo, you're gonna have access to this channel that I have here, where I do research for new projects in the crypto and blockchain space. And one of them is this one, this company here. It's called Bio. So who is Bio? So let me put it this way. Let's say that you are a doctor. You're someone with a lot of skills. You have a PhD. You are a researcher. But maybe you don't like the corporate work. Maybe you cannot do the labs that you want. Maybe you're not allowed. You need to follow the policies. Where there's a group of scientist people out there, people doing research. We actually are finding different cures or making new medicine for diseases that are well known out there. So what's happening here? So in the crypto space, there is people who forms communities, and these communities form smart contracts. These smart contracts are basically uh, they have projects, real use cases, and they collect money. They collect funds from people out there across the planet, across the whole globe. And look at this website. Look at the GUI. Look at the user experience. I really love it. And you can read about the projects that they have. So these communities in here, or DAOs, decentralized autonomous organization, which are companies, which are basic companies in the crypto space. Some of them are validated by actually entities in some countries and cities. Some of them they just exist on the blockchain, but the funds are allocated for real use cases. Some of them, this one, they support early stage longevity. This one for education and access to transformative movements. This one for psychedelic science. Anyways, there's a lot of different projects in here, which you can basically allocate money or invest in these companies or these decentralized autonomous organizations and make money before they launch a coin. Okay, so you can just feel free to come to bio.xyz and you can click in here, and each of these DAOs they actually have um, sometimes they have new projects, sometimes every month, sometimes every 2 3 months, where you can invest. Okay, you can see when they're gonna launch a coin, how much they have allocated. This one is already live. They have almost 26 million circulating in supply. The community is around 61,000 people, which is a lot of people. And you can see a lot of details about launchpads. What are launchpads? New projects. You can see the portfolio from this beta DAO company. Anyway, feel free to check this website and you can learn more about it. So this is for you to understand that crypto is not just about cryptocurrency. This is also about real use cases. It's about um, problem solving. It's about fixing stuff that a lot of people don't have access to, or maybe having some kind of freedom, because a lot of these researchers they just don't agree with the results that they get when they're doing labs. So maybe you did a discovery for cancer and you're not allowed to tell what's the cure, or for HIV, or anything you can think of. These people are like in rebellion. So they build labs, they buy equipment, and you know what? From there, if they find something that is going to benefit the public or the citizens, and they profit from that, you're going to have your share from there too. That's why you invest at the early stage of the project before they launch the project. That's why they call it launchpad, and then you can profit from that. So apparently, right now there is eight bios DAO funded and launched already by now. They allocated over 30 millions in research, and they have deployed over 7 millions. So you have this is accurate. Everything is on the blockchain. They keep you up to date, and there's many projects like that. Okay, and this is what I'm trying to tell you. Like you have a lot more freedom in the crypto space. That's why the new U.S. president is so much into crypto. That's why Elon Musk bought Twitter. That's why we have all these people who actually wants to solve real problems, because there is a lot of stuff happening out there, and people were being stopped um, to do work, to deliver, to improve, but no more. Now, as you see, crypto is being widely accepted by banks, by organizations, and now regulations are coming into place faster than you think. So in the previous government that we have in the US, everything was about destroying crypto. Now it's about actually adopting the technology. The technology is not crypto. The technology is actually the blockchain technologies, which is it's a bunch of computers doing peer-to-peer, having a ledger, and basically keeping accountability. But remember, there's also centralized blockchains and there's decentralized. So again, this is for you a nice example about crypto. It's not just about crypto. It's about blockchain. It's about community. It's about doing good. It's about fixing and building real use cases that will help the community, will help the citizens, will help to solve a lot of problems. And one of the things is this one, decentralized science. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next one is basically, by the way, the bio was launched by Binance on Ethereum. And this one right here, Sonic, is a layer 2 blockchain that is supposed to be used for gaming. And it's also, I think it's compatible with EVM. So it means that it can work, it can work with Ethereum or it can work on the Solana network. Okay, that's, you see here, layer 2. Remember, this layer 1 blockchains, there's layer 2. And now you have gaming working in the Solana network, which is one of the fastest blockchain out there to who can deliver these kind of things. Like gaming, for you to have accountability to buy tokens and play. What kind of games? I'm not sure, but you have a few, and this one is one of them, which is gonna have a big portfolio of game. They have their own explorer. So now you have decentralized science on blockchain, you have gaming on the blockchain. And what I'm trying to do with this, that all these networks of blockchain like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, those are new ecosystem. It means that every blockchain is basically their own internet. They have their own rules, their own speed, their own tokenomics, their own, some of them specialize more on gaming, some of them specialize more on decentralized finance, decentralized science, some of them more in cryptocurrency, some of them more into, I don't know, gaming. So that's why I need you to understand that it's not just cryptocurrency, it's new internets, new ways of doing things, accountability. It's basically all these layer 1s and layer 2 are gonna be in competition. This is just growing every day. Like you have no idea, every day is something new. Millions of projects coming into the blockchain. Elon Musk is about to put the Dodge program that he had, efficiency program in the blockchain, where people can actually see what kind of contracts are being done in the background between governments, states, entity, companies. People can see what was the deal, how much they spend. People will be able to vote in those expenses or deliverables that he have for the community. So everything is visible by citizens, just how it should be, right? So blockchain solve those problems, same for election systems, same for voting system. It's just about having visibility and accountability for you to become the best version of yourself, right? For you to participate, for you not to be left behind, because hey, there is a lot of block roads out there for people to actually start a business, for you to buy a house, for you to improve your life and just be part of something. On the blockchain, anyone can be, part of something if you look for it. So let's move into the next project. The next one is anime. So these coins were actually listed or exposed to a centralized exchange like Coinbase, for example, and many other, Binance, centralized. So it means that they were susceptible. They were actually real coins that have value, and they were able to make it for a centralized exchange to post it. Remember, centralized exchanges just they just don't post any meme coin out there, right? So this one is about community. They think that they represent a new movement of creativity and innovation and all that. So they think that they represent the new way of doing things with blockchain together and all that. I'm gonna play this video here for a second. free to buy their coin. I think is new. It was just listed in January, just like Sonic, the video game for Ethereum and Solana. You also have this one in Binance, Decentralized Finance. You see how cool it looks, this GUI or graphical user interface about science. You can participate in this project, you can invest. These communities are well known globally for years. Those are groups of people investing together and just trying to solve real problems out there. So you got decentralized finance, you got gaming here in Solana and Ethereum, and you have this community here that they think that they represent the new movement of creativity and much more. Feel free to read more about the anime group. Actually, anime is the name of the coin. The group is actually called Asuki something. Okay, the culture coin. Okay, so I'm pretty sure these coins are gonna scale big time, or whenever is a bull run. Not sure when, but I'll be investing on those coins. This one here, Benisa AI. This is another coin that was listed in January, and this is about let's say Montreal. This is about AI. Okay, so what are they doing with this project? It's basically about decentralizing AI. So this is like the ChatGPT on a blockchain. And as far as I know, this one works on the Ethereum layer 2. So base network. The base network is a layer 2 blockchain that works on top of the layer 1 Ethereum network. So they just want to decentralize AI. They don't want anyone to be owning this data that you work on when you use ChatGPT and all this. They probably I'm gonna have to learn more about this one, but this one is about AI. So today's topic was about AI, decentralized AI, decentralized video gaming in Solana and Ethereum, um, decentralized science on Ethereum, and a culture coin community, right? So this community probably will they all have tokenomics, and they all tell you how the tokenomic works, where are they going to be investing, where the funds will go, and much more. A lot of the time they help non-profit organizations, and they do good stuff, good people. So I hope you enjoy this video about decentralized finance, layer 2 gaming, culture coins or communities, about creativity, the future of working and technology, and also about the future of decentralized AI, which is a big thing right now, especially after DeepSeek released their version of basically open source AI. So right now, as you can see, in the last few weeks, we have big troubles when DeepSeek came out. It basically destroyed the stock market with over $600 trillion in the stock market. So a new technology comes, it was open source, destroyed NVIDIA, the stock market went down. And then we have this problem between Canada, US, and Mexico, well, tariff or taxes and putting more block roads for business between countries. And then it destroyed crypto because people started catching out, liquidating Bitcoin, liquidating many other coins. So now, who do you trust? Are you gonna be trusting entities, governments, society, anything to AI or technology that can just do damage you never thought about it? Who was gonna think that a new open source AI model trained by a Chinese group was going to affect the stock market? Who was gonna think that fighting between three countries in North America was gonna destroy crypto for a little bit? Who was gonna think that all these issues can actually interrupt and affect your personal life, increase taxes in your community, prices in food or liquor or cars? So that's what we're seeing. This is the world we live in right now. So this is for you to join my community, stay aware, stay competitive, innovate, learn about cloud native, learn about cybersecurity, learn about blockchain, get involved with the people that is actually trying to step up and just be different and be trying to make things better for you, for your family, your loved ones, and for you not to trust anything because nothing is for sure, nothing is guaranteed. The only thing you could do is to basically be aware, participate. Don't stay with your, staying like this, waiting that something good is going to happen. If you don't do anything, you just got to put the work. So again, I'm going to invite you to join the DevSecOps Dojo from Cloud Underground. Come and learn about the projects that we're working on. We have basically something that we call I'm gonna show that to you here. It's called the ABT framework, where if you start working with us and Cloud Underground, you're gonna basically you can become a mentee, you learn about everything, you choose a career path, and then you can deliver cloud native technologies, whether it's networking, databases, containers, microservices, and then you can maybe become a mentor. And when you become a mentor, you have access to the job board because you have knowledge, you have skills in one specific area, and then you can deliver enterprise work with us, right? Or maybe just become a big investor, and maybe you can choose a topic and help me out to talk about crypto or blockchain or AI or cybersecurity. Plus, you got insights from people working in the field. Most of us, we work in cybersecurity, defense most of the time, ex-hackers, ethical hackers, and we can share a lot of stuff that we know about vendors, architectures, tech stacks, and much, much more. If you think that this is something for you, come and join my community. Come and learn. Come and make it. You gotta make it because 3 or 4 years from now, I don't think my career will be the same. If I don't step up and start learning new things, how I'm gonna be part of the future? If I just decide to stay with the same product, the same technology all the time. How? In 6 years, nothing is gonna guarantee me that. Even if it stays the same. So maybe if I train along with my current job or my current business, I gotta be ahead of the game. And that's exactly what we do here. And we help you to build MVPs, we help you to build careers, we help you to do investments. So we're not financial advisors, but we can spot where things are going. And we cannot stay just waiting for miracles to happen. So if you feel that it's time for you to scale, it's time for you to grow, it's time for you to be part of something, this is the best place to be. Come and join Cloud on the Ground and Avalos Cloud Native and Nexus Technologies with me, Jorge Avalo, and with Nate O'Reilly from Cloud on the Ground, my community, Michael Cardosa, Laura Anderson, and many other people, which um, we can help you to be there on top of tech. Even if you're not working with the current tech where you work on, or maybe if you have no career, we have a path for you. There is a path, there is room, there is opportunities for everyone. So I'm gonna say cheers, have a good day, and I hope to see you in the dojo. Thank you. Bye.